In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on your Wix website. If you're new to Wix or just want to enhance your website with a beautiful, effective landing page, this guide will take you through each step with ease. First, navigate to the Wix homepage. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. But assuming you do, just log in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you manage your sites. From here, look for the option that says Create New Site. Clicking this will bring you to the next phase, where you can really let your creative juices flow. Now, you're going to be prompted to choose how you want to create your site. You'll see the option to start from a template. This is an excellent route for beginners because Wix offers a broad selection of expertly designed templates that you can customize to suit your needs. For our purposes, click on Start from a Template. At this point, you'll enter the template selection area, which houses a variety of categories for all kinds of different website models. What you're interested in is finding templates tailored specifically for creating landing pages. Click on the landing page category. You'll notice a host of beautiful designs tailored for every kind of business and style. Some templates might have a coming soon note attached, but don't worry. Just browse through the available options and find one that aligns perfectly with your needs and goals. After finding your perfect template, click on it to begin editing your site. This step allows you to truly make the landing page your own. Start by editing the layout. This might involve changing the text, tweaking colors, or adjusting the placement of different sections on the page. You want the landing page to not only reflect your brand, but also to be as engaging and easy to navigate as possible. Next, customize the images. Any stock images present on the template can be replaced with your own. To do this, you'll click on the image you wish to change, and an option to add image or .svg will appear. Take this opportunity to infuse a bit of personal flair by uploading images that accurately represent your brand or message. When you're happy with your modifications, look for the Upload Media option. Select this to bring your pictures into the Wix platform. Simply choose the files from your computer and watch them upload. Give your landing page a final once-over to ensure everything ties together harmoniously. Finally, don't forget to hit the Save button. Saving ensures that all your hard work is preserved and ready to publish. With this final action, you're one step closer to sharing your newly crafted landing page with the world. I hope these steps have guided you smoothly through the process of creating a landing page on Wix. Happy designing!